Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the dollar bead box for August of 2025. Sorry I'm a little late with this. I was getting ready for an outdoor market an art market, and I spent the last 2 weeks just getting stuff done. I was so busy, so I'm late with this, but I wanted to do this anyway. If you're not familiar with dollar bead box, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off my first box with them. The dollar bead bag that I have inside is $8 a month if you add it onto your monthly subscription. If it's a one-time purchase, it's $10. And then the actual box itself is $19.50 a month. So I have it delivered to my house every month, and I love it. So I'll show you it as I go on. Let's see here first. August 2025. August is all about that golden glow and fresh green vibes. Inspired by sunlit fields and verdant abundance, this month's box is packed with lush greens and shimmering golds. It's the perfect mix for soaking up the last bit of a summer and getting your creativity flowing. So if you're not familiar, this is the dollar bead bag. So you get these 8 strands for $8. Fire polish strands, and you cannot go wrong with this. $1 a strand, they don't come any better than this. So let me move this aside. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, put the tissue paper to the side. Oh, really? Oh, look at these leaves. Oh, love, love, love. Oh, I love when they give us these mixes. They're so much fun. There's just kind of these odd little pieces, but they work to create some really pretty jewelry. Oh, look at these. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with this bag right here. And the first one is there's 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. Starting with the 3mm. This is the green turquoise nebulous luster. I can't talk today. My mouth is so dry. So look at these. Look how pretty they are. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. And next is the light smoky topaz or aqua green luster. I think this is the smoky topaz. So pretty. Next is the metallic green iris. These are so pretty. When you make earrings and you are bead weaving and you put these kind of beads in there, they have so much sparkle to them. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. So here's this one. And last but not least is the matte turquoise or southwestern sage. I think this is southwestern sage. So, and each one of these, depending on the size of your wrist, can make a bracelet. So you could just take these and make 8 bracelets for yourself. And 4mm strands, crystal copper lined. These are really cool. They have that little crystal in there. Next is crystal half gold or crystal yellow green. I think this is the crystal yellow green, I'm thinking. So pretty. And next is matte turquoise or crystal teal lined. So I think this is crystal teal lined. And last but not least for them is aqua amber. I'm thinking that's it. This is the only one that was left. So look at these 8 strands of beads. Look at that. I mean, you can't beat this. Oh, these are gorgeous. You can make yourself a nice cuff bracelet too with these. These are great. I love this box because they give you a little bit of everything. So they're perfect if you want to just make earrings or just a pendant necklace and some earrings. They don't give you a ton of beads, so you can, you know, make a couple things and be done with it. It's really fun. It's a fun box. Okay, now we're going with the strands. The next is 10 millimeters CG dagger in pastel green rainbow. So these are, yeah, if you can, I don't know if you can see it in the, they're kind of like, they have like a different hue to them, depending how you move them. So we have those. And next we have 7 by 18 millimeter CG peeled olive matte aqua green. There's 5 pieces here. And this is really pretty. Okay. And next is 4 millimeter of CG melon opaque dark aqua green. There's 30 pieces in this. Very pretty. I love the little melon beads. And next is 6 millimeter check fire polished teal, half bronze, 20 pieces. Look at how gorgeous these are. These are stunning, absolutely stunning. Okay, and next are the 4 by 6 millimeter CG drop beads in teal. There's 30 pieces in here. And they do have like a different hue to them. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but just as the light's hitting it, you can see the different hues in it. And last but not least for them, for the strands, is the 4 millimeter CG cube alabaster with green lavender Picasso, 35 pieces. And this is really cool. Like I said, I don't know if the camera's picking up, but you could see the lavender in there. And the Picasso, you can see the Picasso finish on it. I'm not sure if it's picking it up or not, but very pretty. Okay, so now we are going to start with the beads, the packaged beads. So this first one is an 18 millimeter CG vintage style heart, turquoise and copper wash, 1 piece. And it's the same on both sides. This is beautiful for like a focal pendant. But you know, you can make a focal pendant with this and add a couple, one on top, one on bottom, and a little head pin. And you have yourself a pendant here. So these are gorgeous. And next are the 11 by 13 millimeter CG maple leaves, white and green opal with black wash, 4 pieces. These are so pretty. Put a few. Let me find the hole. Here, the hole. Here's just a couple of them on an eye pin. Very pretty. There's 4 of these. These would make beautiful little earring dangles. Okay. And next is 9 by 12 millimeter CG tabular oval light aquamarine opal, 4 pieces. And then put them on put one on a jump ring, or I mean, on an eye pin. So that's how these. Okay. And next, this is really cool. 13 by 22 millimeter CG twisted rectangle, light aquamarine opal. This has got a really pretty shine to it. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. I'm trying to move it so you can see. And then the hole is right there. So this one's really cool. Okay. And next are 7 millimeter CG turbines, opaque white with turquoise wash. I don't so much think this is turquoise. I don't know if, you know, if they, if some of them are more turquoise than others, but I love these turbine beads. They look like little Saturns, the planet Saturn. So let me here's 3 of them. on an eye pen. So this is them, very pretty. And next, gorgeous, is 18mm CG Wild Rose Pastel Green with Gold Wash, one piece. This is so pretty. And the hole is right here. So pretty. That's the sides of it. Okay. And next are 12 by 14mm CG Starburst Opaque Turquoise, two pieces. And these are always fun. Yeah, you could make a ton of earrings out of this box if you wanted to. So here are the Starburst. They're the same on both sides. Oh, I have a little bend in that. I didn't want to break those. So we have those. And next we have CG Acid Etched Drop Beads in pastel green. Yeah, these got a really cool, like, rugged finish to them. That's what that is. And then here's a couple of them on eye pins. So they're really cool. Okay. And next, I love these 8mm CG Melon beads, light teal with gold wash, 6 pieces. Love me some melon beads. Let me put a couple of them on a... You can see, ooh, they're so much fun. I love that wash on them. It gives them such texture. Okay, and next is 9 by 19 CG Turquoise Arabesque with copper wash, 2 pieces. These are so cool. I picked the wrong eye pen for this. I'm just gonna put one on here. I don't wanna break them. I got a little dent in that and I don't want to break that. But they're so pretty. Okay. And then I have 7 by 16mm CG 2-hole crescent crystal beads, 6 pieces. And there's 2 holes in there. So you got a hole right there, and then a hole right there. Oop, oop, oop. Okay, and then last but not least, this is so much fun. Let me get my little thing here. This is the CG Matte Metallic Mix Matte Goldenrod. You get 20 grams of beads, and they're just gonna put them out here, and they're just like fun beads. I love these little wavy discs. I use these as spacers in my jewelry, like, you know, if you have like this ball, and then you could do the wavy, like you could do this, that, and then you could go back with this and make this like an earring, or make it like a cool pendant. Maybe put something sparkling between them. You've got the dagger beads. You've got these little funky 2-hole, oh wait, these are 1-hole. These little odd-shaped ones. And then you've got the pointy dagger beads. And then these little 2-hole beads, I forgot what these are called. But see, that's a bead in the middle, and then there's a bead on the top. So And then we have these little pyramids. These are fun. So yeah, this is the dollar bead box unboxing for August of 2025. Such a pretty box. Sorry I'm late with this. Like I said, I was so busy these last couple weeks. And I will leave a link below in the description to the dollar bead box, as well as my coupon code BNJewelry2. You can copy it and paste it right into your order for this. And for this whole box, it is $27.50 a month. So you get a lot of stuff for this. You get all these, all of the fire polish beads. You get all of these and all of the other ones, and you get this, and it's just such a great box. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, the notification bell, and click all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this box and if you get the dollar bead box or not. And I have links to all my social media below in the description as well. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I loved doing it for you. And I will see you on my next video. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.